So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening guys. Welcome back to the another session conducted by Olymptrade broker. My name is Kunal Kapoor and I am the financial expert for the day. I hope you guys are doing great, everything is working fine on your side, and like always you guys are ready to learn a new strategy. So as you guys have already checked in the description that the name of the strategy which we are going to discuss, which we are going to talk about, is the kind martin. How you can apply this strategy manually, automatically, we will be talking about that thing. Apart from that, of course, some basic but very important topics like money management, risk management, we will be talking about these things also. Before proceeding ahead guys, a small piece of information for you guys that the comment section is already active for you. So if you will be having any doubt, question, query, feel free to contact me there. Rocky ji, same here, good to see you. I hope you are doing good and everything is working on fine. And guys, please confirm me one thing before we will proceed further, if my audio and my video is completely clear. Even though I have checked in my device, but still I just want a confirmation from your end as well, just to make sure that everything is streamlined. So before we kick off the session, I will be fixing everything if anything is required. So just a quick 2-minute wait and then we will kick off the session. We will be talking about everything and of course your doubts also. Kind martin is one of my favorite strategy, because the reason behind that, when I started my trading journey, that was the first strategy which I have learned. So that is always very close to my heart. But guys, one more thing, it's not like that if it is my favorite, so of course that should be your favorite also. Just try it if you find it useful. No, Abhilashji, he is still working. In fact, if you want to join his session, he is conducting sessions on every Monday, same channel, same time. But he is talking about market news. And in the meantime, if you want to is running in the portrait mode. Yes sir. Rocky ji, today we are conducting a live session in the portrait mode. So most of the traders, those who are using mobile applications, of course they, that should be handy for them also, or it should be more easy for them also to understand that how they can use the platform. But of course we are going to talk about everything in a brief so that you can use on the landscape also, nothing to worry about. So I can see that so many traders have joined. So without wasting any time guys, let's kick off the session. Thank you so much for joining. Let's kick off the session. So welcome again guys, my name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. Olymptrade is used to conduct live sessions every now and then just to help their traders in their trading concern. This is one of them. So make sure before winding up this session, before closing the session, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of it, so that whenever we will be coming live, you will be getting a notification and we will be able to connect with you guys just to help you in your trading. Okay, and one important thing guys, see, these technical tools, these are just the mathematical calculation. So there are no such strategies which will be promising 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, always work on your money management and risk management also. Pikuji, can you Pikuji, can you please clarify your comment? I'm not able to understand, please. Okay, so guys, as you already can see that this is the portrait mode in which we are going to trade today. So if I'll click on this button, this is with the name of technical analysis, a new window is going to open up. Once I'll click on the strategies, I will be scrolling down and here we go. Third strategy of advanced level is kind martin. These two lines, these green lines, these are indicating that it's a advanced level strategy, name of the strategy. These two buttons, they are indicating that this can be used on fixed time trading mode and forex also. Okay, Pikuji, I request you, please connect with support team. They will be helping you with all your concerns, and I can assure you that you will get your amount for sure. Nothing to worry about that one. Just drop an email to support-hi@olymptrade.com. You will get all the required information, or in the meantime you can try to connect with them via chat option or the call option if that is available to you also. Okay, So once I'll click on the strategy, a new screen is going to pop up. There is going to be an introduction video, some information about the strategy, which indicator oscillator we are going to use. Everything is visible. For now, no need to spend time on your on this video. Pikuji, just do me a favor, just please share your trader ID in the comment section. Just only the trader ID, guys. Make sure you do avoid sharing any personal information like your email or your contact number. Just share your trader ID. I will just forward it to the support team. They will look into that and then they will give you all the required information and help. Nothing to worry, Pikuji. Okay. For now, no need to explore this video because I am here. I will be guiding you with that thing. So let's start with that. Once you just click on the strategy, enable, close it, and you can see that there are some dots and there are some lines and everything is drawn, which is available on my chart. So no need to make any changes on that one if you are applying it automatically. But in case if that strategy is locked for you guys understand one thing, no need to buy this strategy. You can apply it manually also. If any of my friend, any of my trader who joined recently on the platform and they haven't reached to the advanced level so far, they are still on the starter level and they want to use this strategy, just drop me a comment. I will teach you that how you can apply it manually also. Okay, so far I believe everything is clear that how you can apply this strategy. If any doubt is there, feel free to mention in the comment section. And in the meantime, guys, I just want to confirm one more thing from you guys. If you have used this, any of you have used this strategy in the past, just share your experience, like how that strategy was, even though like you were not able to make profit. Just let me know. So we will be talking about that thing also. We will be considering those aspects just to cover your doubts, and I believe that that information will be useful for others also. So make sure, feel free to share your experience about this strategy and your current trading, how it is going on, like whether you are able to make profits or not. And Pikuji, I am just waiting for your trader ID. Please share it with me. Okay, so now we will be talking about that how you can use this strategy. So guys, leave everything, just focus and focus. Just learn this strategy, and after that, like if you are occupied with something else also, or if you are trying to do some live trading or you are trading side by side, you can do it later on. But I just hardly need your 5 to 7 minutes. I'll just explain it. So in this strategy, you can see that there are two things. Like one is these small pink dots, which we call parabolic SAR. This is the second one, which we call MACD. I'll just make it more clear. So I will just make some changes. So from the histogram, I have just changed to the line just to make sure that that is more visible. See, I have tried this strategy. But in the parabolic SAR, I got nothing to worry, Rocky ji. I will be giving you information about that one. Parabolic, that is something like which you can focus on just to check like whenever there is a market reversal. So nothing to worry. I'll just explain it more. Just a moment. Yeah. So all you just need to focus on these parabolic dots and this MACD. We will start with the MACD. As you can see that there is a line with the zero level, which we can consider as a baseline or the mid level. And you can see that there is a yellow line which is keep on moving upward direction or in the downward direction and keep on intersecting it. Like if I check here also, let me show you. See, and it's not like that you can use only on a specific asset. This strategy can be used on any asset anytime. Feel free to use that. The way you are using it, the set of the rule is everything is same. All you just need to make some changes with the assets or just with the time frame. So all you just need to focus on this yellow line. So whenever it will be intersecting this zero baseline, if the intersection is in the upward direction, it will give you an indication that market can go into the upward side. If the intersection is in the downward direction, so it will give you indication that market can go into the downward side. But again, I am repeating myself, guys, there are no such strategies which will be giving you 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, always focus on your money management and risk management also. It's not like that, like this is one of my favorite strategy, or I have just like you have just learned it, so you will take it to the live account and you will start taking trades with a very big amount. No, practice it on demo first, open at least 75 to 100 trade, then come to a conclusion whether that strategy is working fine for you or not. If you have any questions, fix them, clarify them. in the coming sessions also you can ask them, or in the meantime if you found your question, you found your query during the session, you can just drop me in the comment section. Razak Alpha Ji, I'm so sorry I didn't got your comment, so please just explain it again. Okay, so all you just need to focus on MACD first. If it is intersecting the base level in the upward direction, market can go into the upward side. If the intersection is in the downward direction, market can go into the downward side. Second confirmation we will be getting with the help of these small pink dots, which we call parabolic. So Rocky ji, you can also focus on this part. So parabolic, they are giving you information about that whenever there is a market reversal. So they will be indicating that market has reversed its trend. So now you can open a trade in that specific direction. How they are giving you information that market can move in which direction? So if these parabolic dots are on the upper side of the chart, they will indicate that market can go into the downward side. Vice versa, if they will be on the bottom, they will start indicating that market can move into the upward direction. Or you can just to memorize it, if they are on the top of the chart, so it's like that, it's your hand, so it is pressing the market in the downward direction. And if they are below the chart, so it's like a support which is supporting the market to move into the upward direction. So all you just need to find both the conditions at the same time, or at least with the time difference of max to max one candle if you are using a chart time frame of 1 minute, and then you can open a trade. Okay, so far guys, if any doubt, any question, feel free to mention in the comment section. I would love to help you with your doubts, so make sure any doubt, anything, any silly question also, feel free to drop in the comment section. And guys, make some noise, let me know like if you are understanding that thing, if you have any doubts. So because that is the time when you we can sit with you, we can have an interaction, we can talk to you people, and we can help you. So don't feel shy, any question is there, drop in the comment section. Okay, so all you just need to find two conditions when MACD is intersecting the base level in any of the specific direction. At the same time, parabolic is also indicating the same thing. Now if I'll check this situation, MACD is stating that market can go into the upward side, parabolic are stating that market can go into the downward side. So this is a complete false signal because it's a contradicting information. So we will not be trading on such signals because both the confirmations are not supporting each other. But now if I check, MACD started intersecting the base level in the downward direction, and MACD parabolic is also stating the same thing. But now there is a catch guys, there is a small piece of information where you should be focusing on. If you are new to the trading or if you are new to this strategy, always trade on the reversals. So whenever the parabolic will shift their space, or you can consider that at this level on this candle there was a reversal in the trend because initially market was going into the upward side, now market is moving into the downward side. But just to avoid such conditions, just look for a asset where you can find a proper reversal in the trend. So whenever the market will change its direction, as you can see that market is going into the upward direction, at the same time if you will start observing that there are red candles and parabolic is also shifting its place and moving on in the upward direction, and it is stating that market can go into the downward, and at the same time MACD is also indicating the same thing, then we will be opening a trade. And addition information guys, like which I have been using this strategy from a very long time, so there is something which I have observed. So whenever you want to open a trade, always open a trade on the appearance of second parabolic. Now just imagine if you have entered into the market and parabolic shifted the space, shifted its place, came under the chart and started indicating that market can go into the upward direction, and at the same time if you will find that MACD is also intersecting the base level in the upward direction, so we will not be opening a trade on this parabolic dot. When the second parabolic will appear in the same direction, then we will be opening up the trade. I am repeating myself, we will be opening the trade in the on the appearance of a second parabolic, not on the first. and we need to focus on both the scenarios. Both conditions should be fulfilled, then we will be opening the trade. And it's not only about the upward trend or only about the downward trend, it is for both the trends. I'll show you the reason for that, because sometime what you will find, you will find like parabolics are appearing like this. One parabolic dot will appear at this place, and again these parabolic will switch the place, and this one will be somewhere on this side. So that is the reason that we will be confirming if the trend has changed, and that confirmation we will be getting with the help of the second parabolic. Guys, so far any doubt, any question, please let me know, because we are just about to start the live session, like live trading session. So we will be doing some live action. So before that, if you will be having any doubt, comment section is there, make full out of it, use it guys properly, ask your questions, ask your queries, because I am still available for next at least 40-45 minutes. So if you will be having any doubts, I would love to dive into them. I would love to help you with that. And if everything is clear, just let me know that strategy is clear, that how you need to focus on, what are the conditions which you need to fulfill just to open a trade. Just let me know, so we can just move further. Okay, so we will start some live action. We will just keep on shuffling our cards, we will keep on shuffling assets, and we will look forward for the signal. Okay, about daily goal and money management. For sure, Shiva Kumar ji, just allow me 5 to 7 minutes, then we will be talking about this daily goals and money management also. It's a very nice question, because most of the traders, they are struggling with that one. I have seen so many traders that those who are able to make profit, but they are not able to hold it. So of course I would love to dive into that. Just allow me 5-7 minutes. So guys, before we will start the live action, we will start the live trading, just a couple of points which you should note. First one, it's a financial market, guys. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. Considering that thing, always focus on your skill set also. Always focus on learning part also. I'm always used to say that earning is there, but only after learning. So try to spend some time, try to invest some time also to learn your skills, and then start your trading. Second thing, all the trades which I have taken in the past, I am going to take in the future, I am going to take during the session. Everything is depending on my skill set, my practice. I am the one who is responsible for that. And the third thing, very important guys, even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies somewhere between 25 to 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open right away, that will be visible to you after 30 seconds or 1 minute. So if you will try to do some copy trading, that can lead to some negative results. So please guys, please avoid copy trading. Just learn the strategy first, because once you will be able to learn the strategy, once you understand it, then of course you will be able to trade on your own, because that session will be will be finished hardly after 30 minutes. Then how you will be trading for the rest of the day? So just focus on that. Shiv Kumar ji, I'll just open 2 to 3 trades, then I'll be talking about your question. Nothing to worry, just stay connected. Okay, so we will keep on shuffling the cards, we will keep on shuffling the assets, even though it's about to 7 o'clock, US market is about to open, so we can predict some very sudden fluctuation. And even though we can see in the market also that, see, the market is not following any trend, there is a sudden fluctuations. Kadam ji, there is a playlist already in the form, like when you explore the channel, just explore the playlist part. In the you can see English and Hindi, both playlists are there, and all the strategies are available there. And it's not about, sir, like it's only for the beginners. Whichever strategy you find comfortable, which you want to use, you can use that one, and all the strategies can be applied manually also. If you want to learn like how we can apply this strategy manually, just let me know. I will just teach you right away. Or if any of my friend, any of the trader want to learn this strategy, that how they can apply manually, guys, because do not need to buy any strategies, all of them can be applied manually as well. So all the strategies you can use for free of cost. All you just need to let me know that you don't know how to do it. I will just do it right away in front of you. Okay, so I'll just keep on shuffling. No worries, Kadamji. Okay, and guys, in the meantime, if you will be finding any signal on any of the asset, just let me know in the comment section. I'll open trade on your behalf. Of course, I am not going to share the profit if you will help me to make it, but at least you will get some information that whether you understood this strategy or not, and I will be applying that trade on the live trading, so that will be visible to you also that how that trade went. Okay, so just let me know if you will find any signal on any asset. I've just put some asset in the. Yes, sir. Kadanji, you can do it on PC also. In fact, in the first half of the month, in the first half of the week, all the sessions which we are conducting, these are based on the system and then this portrait mode. But everything is available on both in both the devices. Okay, so we can see that market is too much volatile and there are no such signals which can help us. There was a very nice signal, guys. See, there was an intersection of MACD in the upward direction, and at the same time the parabolic was also indicating the same thing. Like it's not at the exact same time, but hardly there was a difference of 1 or 2 candles. Guys, consider that thing. Like if the difference is hardly 1 or 2 candles, you can still consider that signal as a normal signal. But if the difference is too far, like there are 4 to 5 candle difference is there, please avoid such signals, because those can be considered as a false signal. Okay, so please just avoid it. Nothing to worry, Kadamji. We are just here to help. If you have any doubt, just let me know. If you don't know how to apply this strategy manually also, just let me know. And Sachin, Shiv Kumar ji, just 2 more minutes. I am just looking for a signal just to open a trade, and after that I will be talking about your doubt also. Okay, so there is a consolidation in the market, but if we will find any signal, we will be opening up a trade. Okay, we have to keep on shuffling. Guys, I have selected a couple of assets that is just based on the profitability. Sometimes I am selecting some assets on the basis of the news, but it's not like that. You can use this on only these specific assets. You can use on any of them. All you just need to focus on the conditions, 2 conditions which should be fulfilled, and after that you can open up a trade. Okay, so there are no signals. Okay, nothing to worry. We will keep on hunting. And guys, this is also a part of trading. It's also trading psychology, that till the time you are not getting a perfect signal, do not open any random trades. Keep on hunting. Okay, so just to avoid negative trades, always wait for a perfect signal, then open up a trade, then wait for your in KSA not same time. Why? Sir, there is a possibility that you are in a different time zone, but one thing I can confirm, that everything is like everything can be applied on in your time zone also, like the strategy that is going to work in the same manner. Okay, so let's keep on hunting for that. Okay, so there was a signal, the second confirmation is there. Even though we are late by at least 20 seconds, but still we have opened one trade. Even there was a possibility, there was an opportunity to open a trade at that time. The fresher the signal, the better the result can be, but we were late, so it's okay. Like I have just taken a trade. Let's see if that trade will go into the positive side. Otherwise we will work on another things also. Let's look for some another signal also. Okay, I am expecting there will be a signal. Okay, so one parabolic is there. MACD is about to cross over this baseline. We will wait here hardly for 10 more seconds, and then we will open up a trade in the upward direction. Okay, so there is no support resistance level also. Okay, second parabolic dot appear. I have opened a trade in the upward direction. Let's see if market go into our favor side because there was a consolidation happening into the market, so that can lead to a negative results, but nothing to worry, we will just keep on hunting for another signal. And guys, one more thing, I am just keep on opening trades back to back, but there are no such conditions on you. Always and always wait for the result, whatever the result is there, like whether that is positive or negative, work as per that, like whether you need to work on your risk management and money management. I mean to say that whether you need to increase the amount or decrease the amount, and then calculate it and then take the very next. You do not need to open trade back to back. Now Shiva Kumar ji, I am just coming to your doubt. So as you asked for how to set up a daily goal and money management. So guys, whatever the money which you want to make in a couple of days, like do not come up with a goal which is only for one day. Come up with a goal which is a minimum for 7, 15 or 30 days. Now just imagine, if I want to make $500 in 1 week, then I will divide it with the number of days. I am repeating myself, if I want to make $500 in 1 week, then I will just divide it with the number of days, which is 7, and I will find a amount which is somewhere around 71.42. So just make it $70. So $70 is my take profit for 1 day. That is my goal. That should be my goal. And now guys, every day is not Christmas, every day is not Eid, every day is not Diwali. So of course every day is not profit. Sometime you will be facing some negative results also. So you should be having a goal of losses also, which we call stop loss. So whatever is your take profit, whatever is your daily target, 50 to 60% of that amount, I am repeating again, not the 50 to 60% of your total capital, 50 to 60% of your daily target should be your stop loss. Now if I will talk about the 60% of $70, $71, so that will be somewhere around 40, 42. So your take profit is $70, your stop loss is $40. Now just imagine if you have made a deposit of $100 or $200, just like you started your week, you made a deposit of $200, now your stop loss is $40, your take profit is $70. So in case if you are facing some losses, you will stop trading once you lose $40. So in that way you will be able to use that $200 for next 5 days. And I am sure there will be at least one day where when you will be able to book your profit, like you will not touch your stop loss, you will book your profit. So at that time $40 for that day plus $70 your profit, so that again that will be 110, which will be your capital to trade for at least next 2.5 days. So that's how you can use your money for a longer duration rather than making deposits again and again. You will be making only one deposit and you will be able to use for a longer duration. So that's how you can calculate your daily goal. Whatever is your target for 1 week or 15 days or your 30 days, then divide it by number of days. That should be your daily goal. And why I am just always talking about that your target should be for 7 days or 15 days. Now just imagine you are not able to make profit for 1 day, you then very next day you book a profit, again loss, profit, loss, profit. So at least you will be getting a motivation, a confidence that so far how much you have calculated or how much you have made in your account. Now just imagine if you book a target that you want to make $1,000 in 1 month, and you book at least 60% of that one, still you will be getting a satisfaction that okay, I tried to achieve 1,000, but at least I managed to book 600. Second thing, my deposit, whatever I have deposited in the beginning, that is also safe. So that is a beauty of daily goal on the basis of 7, 15 or 30 days. Now I'll talk about money management. What money management says? See, most of the traders, what they are struggling with. Okay, guys, just 1 minute. Let me see what are the what were the result. Okay, so one trade was positive, one was negative. Let's check the negative one. Okay, so there was a market reversal. No worries. Let's look for more signals. Guys, just give me quick 2 minutes. Shiva Kumar ji, I'll be talking about your doubt again. I'll be talking about the money management part. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so intersection is already done. Parabolic shifted the space. We just need to wait for the completion of this candle. Okay, so there is a resistance level also. Let's switch the asset. Once I'll talk about the money management, then guys I'll just share one more piece of information which I'm sure that will be very useful for you. Just give me a quick moment. Okay, so Asia Composite, no support and resistance level. First parabolic already appeared, second is in the queue. Let's use a risk free trade for $30 because we have lost one trade, so everything will be recovered. Okay, so 10 more seconds to go. If the second parabolic will appear in the same direction, I will be opening up a trade in the upward direction, and then we will look forward for the result. Okay, so okay, here we go. So guys, we have opened one more trade, but this time we have applied risk free trade worth $30. Okay, so now I will come to the money management. It's not only about the losses when the trading psychology is getting affected. When you are making profits also, I have seen so many traders that they got very excited, or you can consider it as a greed also, to build a capital in a faster manner. So at that time, what most of the traders are doing, they just increase the trading amount without any calculation. Now I'll give you two examples. In first example, I took 4 trades, $10 each, with a success rate of 80% only. With the profitability of 80%, all trades went positive. I managed to book a profit of $32. Now I am very excited that my technical tool is working very fine. It's my day, everything is going in my favor, so of course I should increase the amount. Now without making any calculation, I just made that $10 trade investing amount to $50, 50. Now just imagine if the fifth trade went negative, because see guys, understand one thing, if your 4 trades were positive, that doesn't make any sense that the fifth trade is also going to be in the positive side, because there is a quote in the market that market doesn't owe you anything. So considering that thing, calculate the amount also. Now just imagine if you took the fifth trade for $50, that trade went into the negative side, so you booked a profit of 32, you lose $50, so you are minus $18. Your P&L is in minus 18. And if I talk about the success rate, I took 5 trade, 4 trade were positive, so 80% success rate is there. Still my P&L is negative. On the second hand, this time I am using my money management. So same scenario, 4 trade, $10 each, 80% profitability, profit $32 profit is there. So this time, just to increase my profit, I increase the amount from $10 to 15 this time, because if the $15 trade will go into the positive side, of course the profit will be more than as compared to the $10. But now see the beauty, even though if I lose 2 consecutively trade for $15 each, how much I will be losing? $30. How much I have made? $32. So if I'll compare the success rate with the previous one, previously I took 5 trade, 4 were positive, 1 negative, P&L minus. This time 6 trade, 4 positive, 2 negative. So my number of negative trades increased. Still my P&L is in positive. Still I am having $2 in my bucket. Now some of the traders will say that, sir, what we can do with the $2? But when you will be calculating on a bigger manner, you will see a bigger difference. And second thing, once you book a profit, guys, make sure now you are trading with your profit only. You are not trading with your deposit. Deposit is just to initiate the trading, just to start the trading, not to do the complete trading with the deposit. So once you make a profit, then keep on rotating your profit into bigger profit. So Shiv Kumar ji, just please confirm me if your doubt is clear about daily goal and money management. Still, if you need more clarification that how you can calculate it and how the money management can help you on a bigger manner, just let me know. I would love to explain that one, because this is something where most of the traders are struggling with, because they don't know that how much they want to make in a day. They book a profit, like they made a deposit of $100, they make it 150, 200, 300, 500, 700. They are just keep on multiplying the amount, and at one time there will be some sudden fluctuation in the market. You will start losing the amount and you will wipe out the complete portfolio, and that is a very common thing, guys. Okay, so we book another profit of $27. Let's see how the trade went. Okay. Okay, so guys, I am observing that we should increase the trade time frame also. Let's see, because that trade went positive but with a very small margin. Let's make some amendments, because US market is already open, so we are expecting, or we can see some sudden volatility also. Like if I talk about this, I am just keep on repeating this word, that US market open. So if you guys are not aware, let me just give you some information about that also, sir. Guys, market is working in 3 different sessions. First one is Asian, which open up somewhere around 9:30 Indian. I am talking about IST, Indian Standard Time. So if you are in any another time zone, just make sure you calculate as per those. So Indian Standard Time is GMT plus 5:30, 5.5 hour. So first session is open, which is known as the Asian session. Sir, oscillator and indicator, these are some of the technical tools which are helping you just to improve your trading. Like if we'll talk about this strategy, so in this one, MACD is a oscillator. If you just want to make it more easy for yourself, that how you can find that which one is oscillator in any of the ongoing chart. So whatever is applied on the chart, like this one is on the chart, so that is a indicator. Whatever is below the chart, that is a oscillator. Okay, at the end of the day, I am losing the total capital. Nothing to Shiva Kumari ji. Shiv Kumar ji, let me talk about that also. Just before coming to that, let me just give you some information about this session. So what I was talking about, the market is being traded in 3 different sessions. First one is Asian, the second one is European, which we call as London session. That open up somewhere around 12:30, again 12:30 PM Indian Standard Time. And the third one is known as US market, which we call New York session, that open up at 7 PM. And as per my observation, or like as per my trading experience, what I have found, that when the US market is getting open up, so at that time we can expect more volatility, like there is some sudden fluctuation. So sometime when if you are trading throughout your day, so even though I am also suggesting that do not trade throughout your day, but still if you want to, so just take a break from 6:45 or 6:30 to 7:30, just to observe like whether the market is moving in the same movement or not. Once you will be getting information about that one, you can trade again. It's not like that you can't make profit in the US market. You can. I have seen so many traders, that those who are making profit in US market. All you just need to make some changes, and it's not about the frequency of the strategy, it's all about the time frame of the trade. So all what I have changed, only the trade time frame. Initially I was trading with 2 minutes, now I have just shifted to 3 minutes. Okay, so consider that thing also. And second thing, just try to achieve your target within the first 2 sessions, because there is a term which we call analysis paralysis. So if you will keep on focusing on one thing, and you will keep on shuffling the chart, or you are keep on observing the chart, so there might be a time when you will start getting confused, and you will start opting the false signals, or your mind will start processing in such a way that okay, at that time there was a signal in that specific manner, so that could be a signal again. There was a signal, but we are late. No, I don't want to open a trade. I don't want to rush into a running trade, because that can lead to accident, means to say like that can lead to a negative trade. So I'll drop this one. I'll just switch it. Yeah, so consider that thing and try to achieve your goal in at least 1 or 2 sessions, and then just leave the market, come back next day, and then again start your trading. Shiv Kumar ji, just quick 1 minute, let me just open at least 1 or 2 trades, and then I will be talking about your scenario also. Nothing to worry about. That is a very common thing, like which we call as over trading. So I will be giving you some information about that one. Just a quick moment. Okay, so there is one signal. There was a flat market, but market is changing the direction also. Let's see. No support resistance level are also there. I'm just waiting for the confirmation of the second parabolic. Once that will appear, I will open up a trade in the downward direction. Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Okay guys, another trade for $10 in the downward direction on gold. Let's see how it goes. we have made a change in the trade time frame also. So we have taken a trade for 3 minutes. Okay. So first I'll talk about Shiva Kumar question. Then Mayurji, I will be talking about your $50 money management part also. Okay. So Shiva Kumarji, as you mentioned that you are able to make profits, but at the end of the day you are losing your total capital. So just focus on your take profit and stop loss. Come with a target. Once you achieve that target, now just we have made a random calculation that if your $70 is your take profit for a day and $40 is your stop loss, try to stop trading for the day, like try to quit it, come back for next day. But in case if you are a habit like you are keep on over trading, like you want to make that money more bigger, or you want to achieve your recover your previous losses, if there is some such scenarios, what you can do is, so see, if you have come up with the take profits, of course there is a stop loss also. Now what you need to do, once you achieve your first target, which is $70, now you will tell yourself, okay Kunal, not 70, I wanted to make 75 in a day. So I will start stretching that 70 to 75. So I will make a very small window. Reason behind it, you will just come to know about that also. So when you will start traveling from 70 to 75, so it's a very small amount. So all you just need to take some small trades for $1 or $2. If you manage to book a profit, you reach 75, well and good. If not, you will start losing some money. So your stop loss was $40. So 70 minus 40. When you will touch that point, like 70 minus 40, which is $30. So once you will lose $40 from your profit, I'm repeating again, not from your capital, not from your deposit, from your profit. Once you lose $40 from your profit, stop trading. Because see, you touch your take profit, you didn't stop trading. You try to make it more, it's fine. But stop loss should be something which you should be strict to. Now if imagine every day you are following the same scenario, every day you are making the same mistake, you are making $70 and then you are losing 40, again making $70, again losing 40, again making $70 throughout the week. If you are following the same scenario, still at the end of the day you will be having your deposit which is completely safe there. Second thing, you will be having $210 as a profit. So that is a beauty when you are stick to your stop loss. And now imagine if you manage to make 70 to 75, now then you will again you will be stretching it again. No Kunal, 70 not 75, I want to make it 80. I will start moving to 80. In case if I was managed to touch that one, good to go. If not, then 75 minus 80 75 minus 40 is 35. So that's how you will keep on increasing your capital. If you booked 80, make it 85. If 85, make it 90. 90, 95. Because if you will keep on stretching it with a very small window, so you will not be taking trades with a very aggressive amount. First thing. Second thing, when you will start losing some money, when you will start moving downward side, so at least you will be having an idea that from where I should start and at which point I should stop. Now just imagine you book a profit of 70 and then you will make a target. No, I don't want to make 70, I want to make 120. You will start making 120 and at one level you reached 115. Again you started losing your money and you will start keep on losing the money and you will stop again at 30 because your initial target was 70, second target was 120, you were somewhere in between, you started losing money and you end up with only $30 profit. So this is Mr. Shivakumar, something which you can follow just to make your capital. But make sure you are always stick to your stop loss. Because see, sometimes the first trading session is profitable, second is not, or first is not, second is there. But considering that thing, once you have made a profit, make sure when you will be closing your day, doesn't matter whether it is a big profit or small profit, at least you should close your day with a profit. That's it. That should be the condition. That should be the target. Doesn't matter whether that was 30, doesn't matter that was 70. And also one more thing, guys. Most of the traders, what they are struggling with, like just imagine if someone has deposited $100 and they had made it to 200. While making it 250 or 210, they started losing some money and they lose 150 out of it. So now they have $50 in their trading account. So if you will be focusing that I have lost 150, so that will affect your trading psychology and your psychology in that manner that it is very hard to recover 150 with $50 only. So most of the traders, what they are doing, they are just taking a random trade with the complete amount with that thought, either I will lose everything or I will start recovering. But guys, focus on one thing. Loss is whatever which you have lost from your pocket first. So if we have made a deposit of 100 and 50 out of that is still in my account, then how I have lose 150? I have lose only 50. And if you will be having a mindset like I have 50 in my account, I want to recover 50 only, then that will be more easy for you to understand and that will be more easy for you to achieve. But if you will focus on your profit also, that will be hard. So considering that thing, always focus on something which went out from your pocket first, then start focus on your profit also. Even though that 150, that was also your profit, that was also your money, that was also something which you have earned, but at least cover that thing, that part which went out from your pocket, just focusing on that thing, that when you are closing your day, at least you should not be in a negative. Okay, Mayurji, now I am coming to your point. Just give me a second. Let's see how was the trade. Okay, so the trade went into the negative side. Let's see on the chart. Okay, so we took a trade in the upward direction, but trade went into the negative. No worries. So there was some sudden volatility. There was a sudden reversal in the market. No worries, no worries, no worries. We will look for one more signal and then we will be opening up another trade. Even though like whatever we have lost so far, still we are in a profit of $7 because we took a trade for $30 and we managed to book a profit of 27. So far we lose 2 trades, so still the condition is fine. Okay, so Mayurji, as you talked about that you want calculation of $50 with the money management. So start your day with the minimum amount. Just start with $1. Take 4 trades, 3 to 4 trades. If trades are going into the positive side, increase it like 1.2 or make it 1.5. Second thing, try to use it at least for 2 or 2.5 days, or make it 2 days, because if you will be taking 25 trades, each trade for $1, so at least you will be able to take 25 trades. So that is a position which you can achieve. Although we consider $100 as a suitable amount, but it's not like that. Like if you don't want to invest $100 at the first time, or you are not having that much funds, like then you can't make profit. It is completely fine. $50 is also a handsome amount. Just make sure that just divide it, make it 50-50. 25 for first day, 25 for second day, and then when you will start trading, start with $1 each. Once you will be able to make a profit, like once you will cross like with the $25, like now just imagine $25 is for 1 day and you are trading with that one. So once you will convert that 25 into at least 40, then increase the amount, then start increasing the amount, like then start making it 1.2 or 1.5. Before that, just keep it $1. And to make it 15 more dollars, hardly you need to make like 17 to 20 successful trades, and I don't think like that is going to be hard. Just work on that. Okay, so I am repeating myself. Just divide the $50 in at least 2 days or 3 days, 2.5 days, $25 for first day, and then start working on that one. And if you want to set up your goal, that how much it should be your goal, so you can consider it somewhere around 32. Even though that is a very big profit margin, but at least like when you have a small amount, so your profit margin, your take profit ratio, that should be different. Because if I will be having a target, like if I'll be calculating the percentage on the basis of the deposit I have, and if that is fixed, like I want to make 10% or 20%, if I check my capital, that is somewhere around $31,000. So making $3,000 every day, that can be very aggressive trading. So my target is different, that is going to be small in the form of percentage. But if I'll calculate your target as compared to 50, your target, if your target is 30, so that is going to be somewhere around 60%, and that 60% I can't apply on my. So when you are making any deposit, your profit, your take profit and your stop loss should be as per your deposit, not as per the previous deposit, or not as per the total capital which you had, or which you invested, or which you want to invest it, or which you want to achieve. Okay, so Mayurji, just let me know if everything is clear. I'm repeating myself, $50 for 2 days, each trade for $1. You will be starting with that one. Once you will cross a level of $40, like 25 plus your deposited amount plus 15 your profit, then you can start increasing the amount also. Because in that way, if you will be losing at least 1 or 2 trades, so that is not going to affect your portfolio. And in the beginning, when like I also talked about that you should be trading with your profit, not your deposit. So once you will be having $15 in your bucket, so again you will be having $1.5 trade investing capacity. You will be having amount for 10 trades, which you can trade only out of your profit. No worries, Shiva Kumar ji. I am happy to know that like you learned something new. Still, if you will be having any doubt, I am still available for next 5-7 minutes. You can ask me. Okay, so let's keep on hunting again. Okay. So one signal is there, but MACD is not giving you the exact information. Market is still volatile. Let's avoid this one, because if I was supposed to open a trade, I was supposed to somewhere on the beginning of this candle, and this candle is about to finish. So let's skip it. Let's look forward for more. And guys, let me share you some more information which will be very useful for you. So, and that can be applicable on any strategy, irrespective of the strategy. That can be used on all of them. Whenever you are trading and using any strategy, focus on 3 more conditions. In respective of this parabolic or MACD, 3 more conditions which are based on the chart, and these are specifically based on the Japanese candle, which we have already applied. First one, always trade in trending market. As we are always saying, trend is your friend, so always trade in the trending market. What I mean to say that, see, market is going into the downward side, market is changing the trend and trying to move into the upward side. Let me just open a trade, then I'll just explain it again. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, so 6 more seconds to go. Once this candle will get completed, I will open a trade in the upward direction. Let me use a RFT for $20. Okay, so I have opened a trade in the upward direction. Both the conditions were there. Okay, so as I was talking about that, always trade in the trending markets. Whenever sometime you will find that market is moving in the sideways trend, like green, red, green, green, red, green. So this is something which we call consolidation. Market is always moving in 3 different directions: upward, downward and sideways. Never ever trade in the sideways trade market, because that can lead to some sudden fluctuation, and that can lead to a negative trade. First condition. Second condition, whenever you are going to take a trade, always consider the body of the shape of the candle. I mean to say, let me try to make it very simple. So bigger the body, smaller the wick, better the trend can be. If the body is very small and the wick is very long, that is indicating that market was trying to move in a specific direction, but there was a rejection. So market is not having that much volume to move into that specific direction. So always focus on the candle which is having a bigger body and smaller wick. Third condition, whenever you are trading in the market, whenever you will be checking any chart, so just scroll it a bit back and then consider previous 20, 25 or 30 candles, and just try to observe like on which points market was getting stuck. I mean to say that we call price action or support resistance. What is support and resistance? Let me give you a quick overview. So whenever the market is trying to move into the upward direction and market is getting stuck at a specific level, let me just give you a better example. See, this is a very beautiful resistance level. See, market was trying to move into the upward direction. There was a very nice trend in the with the green candles, but market got stuck here. Market started moving to the downward direction. Again, market tried to achieve that level and try to overcome, but still there was a rejection. Market moved into the downward direction. Again it happened. So the more time the market will get stuck at a specific level again and again, that will be the resistance level, and support will be on the opposite side. So if that is on the top, so support will be on the bottom. So if I'll consider a very nice support level, so this one, this can be considered as a nice support level. So if you will be having a hold on only the price action, support, resistance, if you you have well practiced it, I can assure you one thing, that you will be able to make very nice profits on the composites itself. But again, I am repeating myself, guys, you need to practice, you need to invest time also. And second thing, if you will see that whenever the support or resistance level is break, it is getting break, then you will see that there is a trend in that same direction. Market will start running in the same direction. So whenever any of the candle will cross over that support or resistance level, market will start running into that specific direction. So if you are finding any signal into the upward direction at that level, avoid taking trade on that one. Even though if the parabolic stating that market can go into the upward direction, MACD is also stating the market can go into the upward direction, do not trade on that specific candle. Once the candle completion is done, like if that crossover is already completed, if the resistance level is broken, then you can take a trade in the upward direction, because now you have two confirmation, one with the help of the price action, second with the help of the strategy. And it's not only about this strategy, you can apply on all the strategies. So this is something, a general rule which you can apply anytime on any asset. So I am repeating again, always trade in trending market, consider the body of the last candle and support and resistance level, then take your trade. Okay, so guys, so far if you have any doubt, any question, you can just mention in the comment section. I am still available for hardly next 1 minute. And if you like the information which I have shared, guys, please feel free to give some rating. 0 to 5, 0 is the worst, 5 is the best. Even though if you find that like the information which I have shared that was not useful at all, you can give me 0, that is completely fine. No grudges, no hard feelings, that is completely accepted. Of course, I will be working on my technical more, and then I will work on my explanation part as well. So please make sure, just spend hardly 2 seconds just to give some reviews. 0 to 5, 0 is the worst, 5 is the best. You can give 0 to 5 stars. I am just waiting for that one. And in the meantime, guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel before winding up this session. Make sure, be part of it, be part of the family. So every now and then, whenever we will be coming live, you can connect with us. Channel name is Olymptrade Practice. Every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, 6:30 to 7:30 Indian Standard Time, we are conducting these sessions. On Monday, 6:30 to 7 only, because that is only on the basis of market overviews. Wednesday and Friday, that is going to be a 1 hour session where we will be talking about technical tools. And if you are comfortable in Hindi also, you can subscribe the same channel. Tuesday and Thursday we are coming live, 4 to 5 p.m. So consider that thing, be part of the family. Every now and then, whenever we will be coming live, make sure you join us. And on the same channel, we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages like Thai, Portuguese, Arabic, Spanish. So make sure whichever is comfortable to you guys, make sure you join those sessions also. So far I can see that I haven't received any feedback, so I assume that everything was streamlined, everything was fine. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. Make sure you subscribe the channel before winding up, and all the strategies whatever you have learned, make sure you practice it, and start investing time also in your trading, because earning is there only after learning. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much again for joining. This is your host, this is your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much. Take care. Cheers.